Evoto AI versus Lightroom. Which photo editor is better? Choosing the right photo editor can transform your workflow and image quality without overwhelming complexity. Evoto AI offers AI-powered automation, while Lightroom provides detailed manual control and professional tools. Evoto AI and Lightroom are both powerful photo editors but serve different needs. Evoto AI focuses on AI-driven automatic enhancements, simplifying editing for speed and ease. Lightroom offers comprehensive manual adjustments and advanced features for precise control over every detail. Evoto AI is an AI-powered photo editor designed to automate complex editing tasks with minimal user input. Using advanced machine learning algorithms, it analyzes your photos and applies optimized enhancements like color correction, exposure adjustments, and noise reduction instantly. This makes Evoto AI ideal for users who want fast, high-quality edits without spending hours fine-tuning settings. Its strengths lie in its simplicity and ability to produce professional-looking results quickly, especially for batch processing large numbers of images. However, the reliance on automation means it offers limited manual controls, which may not satisfy users looking for granular editing capabilities or creative freedom. Evoto AI suits photographers and content creators who prioritize speed and consistent output over detailed customization, making it perfect for social media, e-commerce, or quick project turnarounds. Adobe Lightroom is a professional-grade photo editor known for its extensive manual controls and advanced editing tools. It offers precise adjustments for exposure, color grading, tone curves, and local edits through brushes and masks. Lightroom also includes organizational features like tagging, rating, and cloud syncing, supporting a seamless workflow across devices. Its strength lies in the depth of control, enabling photographers to perfect every aspect of their images with creative flexibility. However, this complexity comes with a steeper learning curve and more time investment per photo compared to automated editors. Lightroom is ideal for professional photographers and enthusiasts who want full command over their edits and the ability to work non-destructively with RAW files. It supports detailed retouching and batch editing, but expects users to engage actively in the editing process to achieve the best results. Comparing Evoto AI and Lightroom highlights a trade-off between automation and control. Evoto AI excels at delivering fast, polished edits with minimal effort, making it perfect for users managing large volumes or needing quick results without deep editing knowledge. Lightroom, on the other hand, offers unmatched precision and creative freedom, ideal for those who want to craft every detail of their photos manually. In real-world use, Evoto AI saves time for social media managers or e-commerce sellers, while Lightroom suits professional photographers who require nuanced color grading and retouching. Lightroom's organizational tools also support complex workflows better. The choice depends on whether you value speed and simplicity or detailed customization and professional-grade features. Choose Evoto AI if you need fast automated photo enhancements with minimal effort, especially for batch editing or quick social media ready images. Lightroom is the better choice for photographers seeking full creative control and advanced editing tools. Its comprehensive features support detailed adjustments and professional workflows, making it ideal for those who want to master every aspect of their images. Choose Lightroom for precision and depth,